Underground utilities are, by their very nature, unseen to the human eye, and as such, they are highly susceptible to excavation damage. Now, I think we all understand that under Iowa law, we are required prior to doing any excavation to call Iowa One Call and provide the utility company an opportunity to place marks or flags indicating the location of their underground facility. However, in some cases, those marks or flags aren't enough to make sure that that facility is safe. And so Iowa law also allows utility companies to require that an excavator determine the precise location of the underground utility by performing test digs or excavations. These test digs or excavations can often be done by hand digging, hydro excavation, or vacuum excavation. Iowa's one-call law defines a horizontal location as a space of 18 inches on either side of an underground facility. This area, which is referred to as the tolerance zone, includes the width of the facility plus 18 inches on either side. It is always important to consider that additional 18 inches. Excavators should always respect and preserve the above-ground markings since they are a critical reference point. Hand digging within and near the tolerance zone is a common and accepted industry practice. Utilizing the right technique, this can be a very efficient process. Hand probing is always an important procedure when exposing facilities, allowing the excavator to determine the progress and to avoid digging into the facility with the hand shovel. Using blunt-tipped probes also reduces the likelihood of damaging a facility.
Foot. Whole foot? Yeah.
Once the facility has been exposed, a visual verification can be determined and recorded. Obviously, when you can see something, you can avoid it. Continued potholing may be necessary or required if the excavation will continue beyond the point where the facility has been initially exposed. As one of the state's largest utilities, MidAmerican routinely performs hand digging to expose underground utilities. While this takes extra time and effort, it's an important part of our damage prevention program. In the long run, this extra effort saves both time and prevents costly damage. There are times when hydro and vacuum excavating, an approved procedure for exposing facilities, will be a much more efficient and overall effective method for exposing facilities. Again, the above ground markings should be maintained as reference points for determining the tolerance zone. Working together, a two-man crew can make very efficient use of this procedure, which can save considerable time in the long run. Techniques such as using a warning cone to reduce splatter can be most effective. The combination of high-pressure water and vacuum suction results in a safe and efficient method for exposing facilities inaccessible or otherwise too difficult to access via hand digging. Once visual verification can be made, an accurate measurement of the depth can be made and recorded.